My friend told me you have married, so I don't know.
Your friend told you I'm married?
Yes, now.
What does she know about me? Huh? Let me tell you, that's how people will be lying and lying and lying about people. You need to even know somebody before you start talking about the person. Look at my fingers. Where's the ring?
But you know what? The last time that we went out together, I was seeing one baby stuff in your car, and you are trying to hide it.
Are you talking about the sticker that says baby on board?
Yes.
Yes, now.
That's just a sticker.
Yes.
Yusuf, what's that? Baby on board. That's even the title of a movie. They just put the sticker.
There is God, oh.
Wait, somebody's trying to reach me.
Okay.
Hello?
You don't even have my time anymore. Look, what about the money you promised me? I haven't gotten the alert.
See, it's actually not a problem. I am having a problem with my bank app.
What is all this now? What is all this?
Even people who send me money, I'm here to I've not even gotten the alert.
I'm not gonna blame you now. You've taken everything from me. You've gotten what you wanted. You don't sleep with me now. You don't chop. You don't clean mouth. All men are scum. But you're a scumbag.
I don't know what you're talking. Oh, wow. Person who don't win election go see the campaign again.
So, are you campaigning for an election?
Oh no, no. Why should I campaign for an election where you are my new office?
Liar, you're not gonna make it.